Comment below. Does anybody else have to barricade their dog in order to mop the kitchen? Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Fly Lady cleaning system. According to the Fly Lady system, the success in organizing and cleaning your home begins with the foundation of routines. After getting dressed to shoes, I made the bed. Making the bed seems to be a foundation of all her routines. Her routines consist of a morning routine, afternoon routine, and evening routine, daily routines, and a weekly home blessing. And each morning, regardless of what you're doing, which zone you're cleaning, it's imperative that you make your bed first. If you want to make your bed quickly, make it simple. There are no throw pillows. This is the closest you're going to see me having throw pillows. I try to prep the bed in such a way that it helps support my intermittent fasting regimen, which means closing my feeding window and coming upstairs so I'm away from the kitchen, and that's why you see that back support pillow. So like I said, after getting dressed to shoes, I made the bed, and I do a swish swash, as Marla Seeley calls it, which includes cleaning the bathroom surfaces and sink, and in my case, cleaning the mirrors. This process in our home is not quick. It involves moving items to deal with the ever-present blanket of dust. I'm continuing with minimalism for precisely this reason. It simply takes too much time to keep an average home clean. It may seem strange to have two dishwashers for a kid-free couple with a dog. What I learned in the last 13 years is that we generate a lot of dirty dishes. Minimizing the number of dishes has helped, but it means running the dishwasher more often. Our solution is this 17.5-inch Bosch dishwasher, which took 16 weeks to arrive at the start of the pandemic. The smaller dishwasher runs every 3 days, and the standard size dishwasher runs once per week. You'll notice that I have the cutlery drawer open, and it's one of my favorite things to do, unloading the dishwasher, because everything is so close by and it's easy to put things away. Previous to having the smaller dishwasher, unloading the dishwasher was one of my least favorite chores because the volume was just so big, and walking back and forth to the appropriate cabinets was just such a big Herculean effort. Mornings are my time for cleaning simply because our house has the best southern exposure light. I simply lack the energy to clean on two separate floors. So here you see me putting laundry away in our master closet that I share with my husband. The Fly Lady describes a ritual called blessing the house. The weekly home blessing for me is performed on a Friday and starts in our closet. As you can see, I am a work in progress because we generate so much laundry during the winter with all the extra layers. My husband is responsible for folding laundry, but since he is in Dallas, unless I want to hunt for towels on Monday morning, I'm taking over that chore. Here you see me pair something mundane like laundry with something I enjoy, Netflix.